A premium beef steak engineered from discarded jackfruit fibers? You heard that right. Today, step inside a fully automated, zero-waste mega factory as we uncover how this incredible product is actually made. It takes serious technology to clean this much fruit without slowing down. The factory uses a brilliant, hands-free system of pressurized hydrojets and active ozone to blast away dirt. It's incredibly fast, incredibly clean, and completely automated. How do you slice the world's stickiest fruit without jamming the machines? Ultrasonic technology. These high-frequency blades vibrate 20,000 times a second. They glide through the thick skin flawlessly, and not a single drop of sap sticks to the blade. Now that the automated smart sorter has done its job, the fruit is completely divided. The pods, seeds, and fibers are splitting off onto entirely different production lines. Let's follow them and see what they become. Here is the facility's best-kept secret. These pale string fibers usually go straight to the trash, but watch as they are pulled apart. The cellular structure is practically a biological twin to shredded beef. This is the thermal compression matrix. By applying exact levels of heat and intense mechanical pressure, the machine forces rich, savory plant marinades deep into the fiber's core. It is literally rebuilding the texture. Just listen to that sear. What started as fruit waste is now a perfectly charred, succulent vegan steak, vacuum sealed in high-grade aluminum. With the vegan steaks completely packed, it's time to shift gears. Let's head across the factory floor to the vacuum drying wing and see exactly how those massive golden pods are about to be transformed. These golden pods are heading into a cryogenic tunnel. By flash freezing them in seconds, freeze the water inside in place, preserving the exact shape of the fruit. Inside these massive vacuum chambers, the magic happens. The atmospheric pressure drops so low that the ice vaporizes directly into a gas. It never turns into water, giving that mind-blowing, airy crunch. Every single piece is scanned by AI vision for flawless quality. Then, robotic sealers flush the pouches with pure nitrogen. This displaces all the oxygen, locking in that mind-blowing crunch and guaranteeing a massive shelf life. So the perfectly preserved fruit is packed with zero human contact and heading to high-end global markets. In a normal factory, the story ends here, but not in this zero-waste facility. Let's head over to the milling sector and see what happens to the seeds. First, thermal shock creates brittleness. These heavy seeds make up 15% of the fruit. Instead of tossing them out, this system dehydrates them, preparing them for a very unusual type of meal. This machine uses kinetic energy to smash the seeds against each other at supersonic speeds. It creates a premium gluten-free baking flour without generating heat. You are looking at a highly nutritious, completely gluten-free starch. The automated system perfects this premium flour, supplying high-end pastry production with an impeccable, sustainable ingredient. Finally, the thick, heavy peels. They are transported straight into these massive anaerobic digesters. Inside, microscopic bacteria break the tough rinds down in an oxygen-free environment, releasing raw methane gas. Solar panels, wind turbines, and methane from discarded peels. Combined, they create a powerhouse that makes entire megafactory 100% energy independent. It literally runs on the nature it protects. Follow us and never miss a single masterpiece of engineering. The future of manufacturing is here, and we're taking